Hello, I am now back at the shed with the legs for ED-209. They're now done, so the wife will be very happy that they are leaving the living room and are going back to to join the rest of the body parts. So I'm going to get those out and then we'll see what we've got. So we've got the two legs standing up here, a big box of pieces, a couple of bits down here, and the all-important ED-209 necker model that my son is so... The box is wet! Uh-oh, I better dry that before Jensen finds out and murders me. Shh, he will never know. I better not mark the cardboard because he will notice. I think I'm going to get away with it. Anyway, yeah, I need this because I've done a little bit of work to that back piece from last time. I need to use this to decide on a certain angle or cut on that. I'm going to need this. So, what have we got? We've got the thighs, which are more or less the same as they were, except I've added these little runner type teeth things inside there. This thing on the back, plus the stuff to cover the wood there inside the toes. On the front there, the front toe covers that, so don't need to worry about that. We've got the thighs up here, the things that stick out the back of the thighs, and a box of things, includes the toes and those things on top there, and the things that go on top of those things. A lot of these things are called things, but that's because I don't know their stupid names. The back is up there, it just needs the front of the back. This is very informative. I've had about 2 hours sleep, so there you go. Anyway, I'm going to put the legs together along with the pelvis and we'll see what we've got. You ready to see it? Let's do it. Oh man, look at that. That looks pretty damn awesome. If I do say so myself, and I do of course. Ow, big robot in the way. There is one, no that's a lie, 2 problems. Problem 1, I didn't make these wide enough. So there's like a couple of inch gap there. So I think what I need to do is just make little extenders to bring these out. There isn't a gap on the other side, so I'll push that one all the way across. So if I just make these half of that distance wide, then they should fit nicely. Another problem is that fits nicely in there and around there, but not there. No, what an idiot. Okay, so the problem you'll be able to see clear on this side is it sticks out by a lot. It's perfectly aligned at the back and sticks out a bit at the front. Got 2 choices, I guess. I can either totally remake these. To be fair, I wouldn't remake them. I'd cut out the circle bit, slice this, take a gap out, make a smaller circle, and then rejoin it all back up, which would take a bit of faff. Or I could take it out, cut the hole over slightly to split the difference and then have it sticking out slightly on all sides, or maybe sticking out the back. Oh, I don't want it to stick out. No, I'm going to make it smaller. I'm going to have to make it smaller because it's annoying. I mean, there is a third option that I don't really want to do, and that would be taking the thigh apart and moving the socket down slightly, which would push the whole pelvis down slightly by about 2 inches. But I've had the body on this and I know the way everything is nice and sturdy and secure, and changing the centre of gravity like that this late in the game I think could be a totally stupid idea. So we won't be doing that. So yeah, I'm going to play with those, make those a different size, and I've got to do the rest of this. So what I'm going to do now quickly is mock up a very crude side piece there, because I just trimmed this and added the new longer back flat thing there. I just need to do the bit where it goes around the front there. Instead of the front bit there, I've just got a little flappy thingy. That's the right width. I've just got to carry that on. Probably with some cardboard as a quick mock up, and I can take that back and make it nice.